Alright, so they are done, guys. Look, it's nice. It's evenly cut and clean. They use the blower. Right, and also there made the fence. Right. Okay. So it's nicely cut again. It's nicely trimmed. So Prince Rio can play again in our garden. We have a huge garden, guys. We're supposed to put swimming pool here when we move, but we don't have any children to play with. It's only me and Prince Rio. Supposed to be we have a swimming pool from here up to there, but we didn't have. Okay, so it's even there, so they cut it short. It's just that this gardener, guys, sometimes they don't take the dried leaves, so sometimes it's annoying, but it's okay. They do their job well anyway. Okay, so that's my herb garden. Okay, so I have all my papayas. I like that, and it's going to rain, so I asked them to do it faster than they used to do, or else the rain. Okay, and look at my Victorian plant, guys. Already big from the past few months that we are here. This is my favorite, guys. I bring it here the last time that we in our old house. This is my Panjipani. Alright, so nice. Okay, so they also clean the path. It's going to rain. And also our small garage there by the gate. Right, so this is our garage here. Okay, so far so good. Oh, there's a little birdie now because there's no more gardener. So these are plants and trees leading to the green corridor, guys. A green corridor. It's nice and beautiful. Very nice place. See the clouds. The rain is coming. It's quite nice and clean around here. And not going to rain. Rio loves to play here. See? Oh, my plants are growing. How the plants are growing. This is mango tree, but I don't know why here in Singapore, because I think they don't have spray. I haven't seen a mango tree with fruit. It has some flowers, but it doesn't give any fruit. Maybe because there's a lot of birds, squirrels, and all the wild animals that come in here. I haven't seen, really, guys, I haven't seen mango fruit tree. Even I go to the botanical gardens or even in the park where they have all those fruit bearing trees. Okay, so there's a coconut tree. And in here, guys, here in Singapore, guys, you are not just allowed to cut down trees like this if it's already tall and aged trees, just like that. You have to ask permission to the government. You must have a written letter to them to say that you need to cut the tree, because all these trees, especially the heritage one means they are already grown and old. As here in Singapore, they preserve all the old trees, not unless it is really dangerous to the community, so they're the one who's going to cut. So this tree, guys, just has been trimmed few weeks ago because some of the branches are already getting into our house there, so just cut off. And then since the soil, I think the soil and the place is too fertile. Look at that, guys. They're coming new branches, baby branches again. Okay, and this is it's called gumamela. Yeah, it's very nice now because summer is coming back, so all this. Alright, I think that's okay now. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.